Hello friends. Hello. Are you able to see my screen? Okay. Okay. Now, here is the query asked. Actually, I said now totally eight interview questions are there. So out of this is the another one which I am going to show you. And they said to convert only the first letter as a capital, and remaining are all falses. Okay. It's not a proper. Only first letter should be converted into a capital and remaining are falses. Okay. If you'll do proper, it will do like this. Proper. Okay, so it will do like this. So no, I want only the first letter should be a capital. Okay. Without with function without flash fill. Okay. So what I'll do first of all, right, left of this comma one. So it will pick up what it will pick up. It will pick up the first letter in a sentence. First letter in a sentence. Okay. But we can make it a capital by using upper here. And what about remaining uh, characters to be a small? Okay, here is the trick. First of all, I will show you here. Then I will add those things in this. Okay, so right of this comma length of this minus length of left of this comma 1 another bracket. Okay, so what will it will happen, it will remove first character in a sentence and remaining it will show you. It remove first character in a sentence, only first character, and you have to make this as a small. So use what will be the small function. No, it's not a small function, it's a lower function. Okay, got it. Now we got it, this one. Now what it will be, then simply sorry, I add whole thing, control C, F2, ampersand, control V, enter. If you want, you can see it. Only first letter is a capital, remaining are all small only. Okay, only first letter is a capital letter. And now I'm going to give you one assignment. Let's see how many will solve it. You have to find the holidays for the month in a present year, that is 2022. If I enter any month, then automatically it will display the whole holidays with the dates. Okay, let's see what it is actually. Okay, so if I enter a Jan over here, so it will display only January holidays. Okay, without helper column, just to show you, I did this one. If I sorry, if I delete auto, it will work. Okay, so just to show you, now January, February, December. In December, no holidays. I think so. It is holidays are there. Okay, holidays are there in December. I don't know why it's not showing. It has to show these two things. Okay, okay. I will change the formula. Okay, this is the thing. Whenever you enter any month over here, some problem with formula. I don't know why it's not working. It has to work actually. Okay. Now, April. I don't know why it's not working. I'm unable to understand. I have to check this one. and I'll be back. Now, you have to solve it, and the solution will be tomorrow or day after tomorrow on Monday. Okay. Signing off, Rajnikant.